Welcome to lab number 9. We're going to learn about solar cells and solar energy. We're going to use it to light some bulbs. We're going to try to make a motor run, and we're going to do some experiments to simulate things like cloud cover and angle. So for today's lab, from the kit, you're going to need our friend, the digital multimeter. You're going to need the packet that has a solar cell in it. So if you open the bag up, you'll see the solar cell. It looks like this. It has some panels on it. Note that on top of that solar cell is a film that you're going to want to pull off. It's just a protective film, just like you would have on your cell phone when you buy it, or a tablet. There's also some filters in here. Some of them are color, and some of them are just black and white gray. So we're going to have do some experiments with that. You're going to need some of your alligator clip wires. I have 5 out, just whatever number you need. You're going to need the LEDs from the kit. You're going to want, in one of the bags, there's a little motor inside it. The motor is just the cylinder that has a red and black wire connected to it and a little spindle which comes off of it. You're going to want a ruler, and you're going to want the protractor from your kit. From home, you're going to want just a little bit of tape, which has been kind of our universal friend in this lab. And you're going to need some kind of a light source. What you use doesn't matter. It should be relatively bright. So if you have a desk lamp or something that has a nice bright light bulb in it. Ideally, if we get a sunny day in Michigan, and I do know that in fall, it may be a little bit difficult to get a sunny day, but if you can get one, that's great. Just go outside and do this experiment in the sun. That will be actually the most relevant, because that's where obviously solar cells are. If not, you can use any kind of a lamp or light bulb. Again, you want it fairly bright. It can be incandescent, which just means it has a filament. It could be an LED. It could be a fluorescent bulb. You don't want kind of those long, thin fluorescent bulbs that are often up. They're not very bright and they diffuse light quite a bit. You want something that's somewhat concentrated. Whatever it is you use, you're just going to want to tell us what it is.